Do you know what is the importance of yoga and where the yoga has been origin? What is the origin of yoga? Yes, the origin of yoga is only in India only. So the yoga, the doing yoga was found first only in India only. So do you know what is the importance of yoga? Are you doing yoga at home? Yes? Okay. So why do we need to do yoga? Yes, if we do yoga means it will relieve our stress and anxiety. So whenever if we feel very stressed or tension or disturbed, it will help. If we do yoga means it will help us to relieve the stress from our body only. And also if we do the yoga daily, we can be fit and we can be relaxed also. For feeling relaxed, and if you are facing any breathing problem or stomach problem or sleeping disorder, if you are unable to sleep properly and you can't concentrate and you have very less memory power, means you can do yoga. So while doing yoga, it will help you to increase your memory power, and also it will help you to be relaxed. Also it will help you to be relaxed, and all the sleeping problem or any breathing problem, and if you are feeling very lazy also, once if you started to doing yoga, you will be all right. So those who are not doing yoga, you can start doing yoga because it's very good for your health also. You can start doing yoga by simple yogasanas like Surya Namaskar, you know, right? Surya Namaskar or Virjasana or what Nadi Shona or any breathe in and breathe out, that kind of prayanam also you can do. So in this video I have talked about the yoga because I wanted you to do the yoga. Please do the yoga so that it will help you to, it will also help to increase the memory power. If you are doing yoga, it will also help you to do, it will also help you to increase your memory power, and also it will also help you to concentrate on the something. So some people may feel that, ma'am, I can't concentrate on the thing, I can't concentrate. So all the concentration problem also will be solved. You can be concentrate more by doing yoga also. Okay. So let's start learning about this video. Okay, what we are going to learn in this video? Yes, we are going to do the book back exercise on must, the functions of must. In the previous videos, we have learned about must. Am I right? So how many functions of must we have learned? We have learned 4 functions of must or 5 functions of must. Yes. So what we are going to do in this video? Yes, there are some sentences are given below, given in the board. I have written on the board. This exercise which is in your book, page number 68. I have written the page number also for your reference. Okay, so you can take page number 68 and you can refer this exercise. So what we are going to do? We are going to write. We are going to find out which function is talking here. So what are the functions of must? What are the functions of must? So they are to express a conclusion, to express necessity, to giving strong order, to give a strong order, to say what should be done, and to say what should not be done. So these are the 5 functions of must. I repeat once again. The first function is to express a conclusion, second to express a necessity, third to give a strong order, fourth to say what should be done, and fifth to say what should not be done. What about conclusion? Yes, when we are talking about the final thing, no final thought, there we can write to express a conclusion. Necessity means need. If we need something, no, there also we can use must. To give a strong order, when a sentence comes with a must, when we are giving some advice or when we are giving some order, if we use must, means it should be done only. And to say what should be done, the function itself has the meaning what? Whatever we need to done, no, that should be done only, that need to be done. And what should not be done also we can say by using the must only. Okay, so let's start doing the exercise first. So there are 4 sentences given. What we need to do? State the functions of must. Okay, so there I have given the dashes, the blanks also. In the blanks we are going to write the functions of the must only. So let me read out the first question. The phone is ringing. The phone is ringing. It must be my father. It must be my father. So here the sentence means that, okay, phone வந்து ring ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு, கண்டிப்பா இது எங்க அப்பாவா தான் இருக்கும். So here this sentence talk about what? See, the phone is ringing and they have already decided that it must be my father only. So here they are talking about the final thought, and it means what? They are talking about the conclusion. They have given the conclusion also. Phone அடிச்சிருக்கு அப்ப யாரா இருக்கும்? எங்க ஃாதரா தான் இருக்கும். So they have given the conclusion. முடிவு சொல்லிட்டாங்க. So here the function of the sentence will be what? To express a conclusion. That is what I am going to write. See, to express a conclusion. This is the function for this sentence, for this statement. Okay, I hope you are getting the answers because it is very easy. You need to read out the sentence first and then you need to find out which function is acting here. Okay, so let's read out the second. One must be fit and strong. One must be fit and strong to take up mountaineering. To take up mountaineering. So it means what? ஒருத்தவங்க வந்து மவுண்டெயினை கிளைம் பண்ணணும்னா அவங்க ஃபிட் அண்ட் ஸ்ட்ராங்காக இருக்கணும், கண்டிப்பாக இருக்கணும். ஸோ ஹியர் தே நீட் ஒன் பர்சன் ஷுட் பி ஃபிட் அண்ட் ஸ்ட்ராங். If you want to climb a mountain or Mount Everest or any other mountain, you need to be fit and strong. So here they are talking about the need of a person, right? So what kind of person can climb the mountain? Only fit and strong. So if you want to climb the mountain, you need to be fit and strong. So here they are talking about the need. தேவைதான் எப்படி இருக்கணும்? Fit and strong இருந்தாகணும், right? That is அவசியம், right? Here one must be fit and strong to take up mountaineering means ஒரு person வந்து fit and strong-ஆ இருக்க வேண்டியது அவசியம். So when we are talking about the அவசியம் in English, what? Need or necessity. So here they are expressing the necessity. So the answer will be what, children? Yes, the answer, the function of this statement will be to express a necessity. To express, I am going to write here, to express a necessity. Necessity in Tamil will be avasiyam. Okay, avasiyam or thevai we can say. Okay, to express a necessity. What kind of necessities asking there? Yes, fit and strong. ஒரு person வந்து இப்போ மவுண்டனை கிளைம் பண்ணாங்கன்னா அவங்க கண்டிப்பா fit and strong-ஆ இருக்க வேண்டிய அவசியம் இருக்கு. So here they are talking about the necessity. So the function of this statement will be what? Yes, to express a necessity only. Okay, so let me read out the third one. That is, you must talk politely to your elders. You must talk politely to your elders. So பெரியவங்க கிட்ட பேசும்போது எப்பவுமே நம்ம பொலைட்டா பேசணும், மரியாதையோட பேசணும். So here they are telling us what to do, what need to be done. Whenever you are talking to elders means what? பெரியவர்கள். Okay, பெரியவங்க கிட்ட எப்பவுமே நம்ம பேசும்போது கண்டிப்பா மரியாதையோட பொலைட்டா நம்ம சாஃப்ட்டா தான் பேசணும். So here they are telling us to how to talk. So this should be done only, right? Here you need to talk politely with your elders only. So here the function of this statement will be what? What they are asking for us? Yes, that thing should be done. Whenever you are talking, you need to talk politely. You must talk politely with the elders. So here they are asking us the thing should be done like this only. So what this kind of function here is happening? Yes, to say what should be done. So here they are without, if you are not using must means what the answer will be? You talk politely to your elders. நீங்க வந்து elders கிட்ட மரியாதையா பேசணும். Okay, they want us to do that thing. So that is why they are using must, because it should be done only. It must be done only. It need to be done. That is why they are using must. So it means what is the function of this statement here? Yes, to say what should be done only, the function of this statement. So I am going to write the answer. To say what should be done. Can you identify why do I have written this answer, that is to say what should be done? Yes, to say what should be done means எது நமக்கு கண்டிப்பா இது நடந்தே ஆகும், இந்த மாதிரி தான் நம்ம behave பண்ணணும். So for those statement only the function is this only the function. Am I right? So here also they are telling us this thing only should be done. Whenever you are talking to the elders, you should talk politely only. You must talk politely only. So the function of this statement is to say what should be done only. Okay. So let me read out the last sentence. The doorbell is ringing. That must be my friend. The doorbell is ringing. That must be my friend. So doorbell அடிக்குது கண்டிப்பா அது என் ஃப்ரெண்டா தான் இருக்கும். Can you guess which function is happening here? What is the function? What is the use of this must here? Yes. So here they are telling in the first statement, first sentence they are telling that the doorbell is ringing. So okay, calling bell அடிக்குது, doorbell வந்து அடிக்குது. Finally they are telling it must be my friend. அது கண்டிப்பா என் ஃப்ரெண்டா தான் இருக்கும். So when they are talking about the conclusion also, அவங்க ஒரு முடிவு எடுத்துட்டாங்க இவங்க தான் இருக்கும் அப்படினு அவங்க they are thinking like this, the function of the statement will be yes, to express a conclusion, because here they have already decided, they have finally thought that it must be my friend only. So what is the function of the statement? Yes, to express a conclusion. Express a conclusion. So children, remember that there are the 5 functions of must, and they are to express a conclusion, to express a necessity, to give strong order, to say what should be done, and to say what should not be done. Okay, so here we have found that what are the statements, what are the sentence are talking about which functions. Okay, so the first sentence is talking about the to express a conclusion. When we are decided something and when we are giving a final thought, there we can use must. So here they are given the conclusion, so we have written the function that is to express a conclusion. And when we are talking about the necessity, the need, right, the need, that the function of the statement will be to express a necessity. And to say what should be done, this only should be happen, you must come in full uniform. So while we are saying that thing should be done means there also we can use must, and the thing which should not be done, no, there also we can use must only, and to give a strong order also. So I hope you are clear with this exercise. I'll see you in the next video by doing the another book back exercise, children.